Hello techies! Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Would you mind scrolling the screen down? Just wanted to check if all the types okay got my answer. I just thought if what were all Workday standard reports under the type of report writer, or it also had Expressrio. Yeah, it has Expressrio, right? Okay. So the ones that are report writer, those are the ones that are useful to us. I mean in terms of reporting. We will be able to copy them. We will be able to run them right. The Expressrio ones are not that useful, okay? Right. So of this 4691, there may be a few thousands of Expresso reports. So maybe around 2,500 or maybe 2,600 reports are there which are like report writer, reports right. So we will use them, and we will copy them into custom reports and make changes. Remember that for standard reports we cannot edit standard reports right. They are Workday provided. We will not be able to edit them. What we can do is we will copy them right. Create our own custom reports, and then edit the custom reports. We can edit the custom reports as much as we want, but the standard reports we will not be able to edit them.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.